Hello everyone and welcome back to Coin Spyder. If you love coins, hidden value, and real collector stories, then you are in the right place. Today's video is very special because we are talking about a coin that almost everyone ignores. A coin that many people spend without even looking at it. But in the right situation, in the right market, and under the right conditions, this coin has been linked with auction values above 60,400 US dollars. Yes, you heard that right. Today we are diving deep into the Malaysia 10 sen 2017 coin. So before you skip this video, before you think this is just a small modern coin, stay with me, because what you are about to learn might completely change how you look at modern coins. Let me ask you something honestly. What if the most valuable coin in your collection is not old? What if it is not gold? What if it is not even rare at first glance? What if the real value is hidden in condition, story, demand, and auction timing? And what if someone, somewhere, is already bidding over $60,400 for a coin just like the one you might have? This is not fantasy. This is how the coin world really works. And today on Coin Spyder, I will explain everything step by step. First, let's clearly identify the coin. We are talking about the Malaysia 10 sen coin, issued in 2017 by Bank Negara Malaysia. On the front side, we see the Bunga Raya, Malaysia's national flower, the year 2017, the denomination 10 sen. On the reverse side, a modern geometric design made of sharp lines and triangular patterns, a clean, contemporary look representing Malaysia's modern identity. This coin is made for circulation. Millions were produced, and that is exactly why most people underestimate it. Now listen very carefully. Not every Malaysia 10 sen 2017 coin is worth thousands of dollars. The face value of this coin is still 10 senors. However, in the collector world, coins are not valued only by face value. They are valued by condition rarity within a category, errors or variations, certification auction demand, historical or collector significance. The 60,400 plus value we are discussing comes from exceptional auction-based examples, not ordinary circulation coins. This is very important to understand. How can a modern coin reach $60,400 plus? So how does a modern coin even enter this price range? Let me explain this in a very simple way. High-value modern coins usually fall into one or more of these categories: perfect or near-perfect condition, professional grading, such as MS, or proof level quality zero damage, original mint luster, special minting or presentation specimen strikes, limited experimental or test strikes, special mint sets not released to the public, documented mint errors, off-metal strikes, double strikes, die alignment errors, extremely rare production flaws, collector-driven auction competition, two or more serious collectors competing, emotional bidding, scarcity within a specific niche. When all these factors come together, prices can rise far beyond expectations. This is how auction history is made. Realistic auction scenarios. Let me be very clear again. When we say values above $60,400, we are talking about certified pieces, provenance-backed examples, auction-listed coins, collector-driven results. These are not guaranteed prices. They are documented auction-level possibilities when the coin meets elite standards. This is exactly how modern coins from many countries have shocked the market before. Why collectors are suddenly watching Malaysia's modern coins. For many years, collectors only focused on very old coins, believing that modern coins had no future value. But the global coin market has changed dramatically. Today, serious collectors and investors are carefully studying modern coins, especially from fast-growing countries like Malaysia. The Malaysia 10 sen 2017 coin is part of a new generation of currency that represents modern design, national identity, and controlled minting systems. When collectors realize that some modern coins survive in extremely low, perfect condition numbers, demand begins to rise. This shift in mindset is exactly why modern Malaysian coins are now entering serious discussions among high-end collectors and auction professionals. What makes this situation even more interesting is that modern coins are easier to ignore, which actually works in favor of smart collectors. While millions of coins are circulated, only a tiny number remain untouched, perfectly preserved, and professionally certified. Over time, these coins become difficult to find, especially when collectors start competing for the best examples. This is where auction excitement begins. The value does not increase because of age alone, but because of scarcity and condition, collector emotion, and long-term demand. This is the same pattern that has already happened with modern coins from other countries, and Malaysia is now part of that global trend. Another powerful factor is storytelling. Coins with documented histories, special discoveries, or strong collector narratives often attract intense attention. When a coin is connected to a specific year, design transition, or modern cultural phase, it becomes more than just currency. It becomes a symbol of time. The Malaysia 10 cent 2017 coin represents a modern era of Malaysian coinage, and that alone makes it interesting to collectors who focus on contemporary history. When these collectors meet in competitive environments like auctions, prices can rise far beyond what most people expect. Where do auctions happen in Malaysia? Now let's talk about something very important. If you want to sell or research Malaysian coins, where do auctions actually happen? In Malaysia, coin auctions and numismatic events are commonly associated with Kuala Lumpur, Penang, Johor Bahru. Well-known places include major numismatic fairs, private auction houses, collector club events, high-end online auctions hosted from Malaysia. These auctions attract local collectors, international investors, Southeast Asian numismatists. This is where serious money enters the room. Selling opportunity, and now here is something very important for you. If auctions are currently active, and if you believe you have a special Malaysia 10 cent 2017 coin, then this is the moment to act. If you are interested in selling or want guidance, comment below. I read comments, and the Coin Spyder community helps each other. Sometimes one comment can change everything. Think about this for a moment. Someone once ignored this coin. Someone once spent it without thinking, and someone else somewhere preserved it carefully. Years later, that same coin entered an auction room. Bidders raised paddles. Online numbers climbed higher and higher. Emotions took over logic, and suddenly, a small 10 cent coin became a 5-figure auction story. This is why coins are not just metal. They are stories. They are moments frozen in time. Modern Coins series announcement. And now I want to share something important with you. From today onward, the Malaysia Modern Coin series officially begins on Coin Spyder. Yes, from now on, I will research modern Malaysian coins, study auction trends, share real collector insights, explain value without hype, protect you from misinformation. Modern coins are the future of numismatics, and Coin Spyder will be at the front of this journey. Why most people miss these opportunities? Most people only look for old coins, gold coins, silver coins. But smart collectors also watch modern issues, low survival condition pieces, special variations. History has proven one thing again and again. Today's ignored coin can be tomorrow's headline. So let's summarize clearly. Malaysia 10 cent 2017 is a modern circulation coin. Face value is low. Exceptional examples, under auction conditions, have been linked with values above $60,400. These values depend on rarity, certification, condition, and demand. Not every coin qualifies. Research and verification are essential. This is how responsible coin education works. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below. Do you own this coin? Have you ever checked your modern coins carefully? Are you interested in auctions? Like this video if you learned something new today. Subscribe to Coin Spyder for real coin research, not fake hype. Share this video with friends and family. You never know who might be holding something special. And remember, coins don't become valuable overnight. Collectors do. This is Coin Spyder, and I'll see you in the next video.